Here's some silk production trivia. Subscribe. Which insect is primarily used in silk production? Is it A, silkworm, B, grasshopper, C, or D, ant? The correct answer is A, silkworm. Which country is the largest producer of silk? Is it A, Thailand, B, China, C, India, or D, Brazil? The correct answer is B, China. What is the term for the silk cloth type from Italy? Is it A, brocade, B, taffeta, C, satin, or D, velvet? The correct answer is C, satin. What type of silkworm is commercially raised for silk? Is it A, Bombyx mori, B, Achis atlas, C, Hyalophora cecropia, or D, Philosamia ricini? The correct answer is A, Bombyx mori. From what part of the silkworm is silk derived? Is it A, egg, B, wing, C, cocoon, or D, mouth? The correct answer is C, cocoon. Which protein acts as a scaffold for silk production? Is it A, elastin, B, keratin, C, sericin, or D, collagen? The correct answer is C, sericin. What country is known for its Ajrak printed silk? Is it A, India, B, China, C, Turkey, or D, Pakistan? The correct answer is D, Pakistan. Which silk fabric is known for its strength and durability? Is it A, taffeta, B, satin, C, chiffon, or georgette? The correct answer is D, georgette. What is a common application of silk in medicine? Is it A, sutures, B, bandages, C, dressings, or D, transfusions? The correct answer is A, sutures. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.